If you're trying to be a YouTuber or a singer or kind of vocal artist and finding a microphone that suits your budget, then you should have heard of BM800. It's a condenser microphone and it's really cheap compared to its rivals. I'm using this microphone for quite a long time, like 7 months. And in this video, I'm going to give you a long-term review of this BM800 condenser microphone. In the box package, I got the microphone holder, a wind filter, a aux cable which is pretty long, and finally the microphone itself. The microphone has a pretty solid build quality. The whole body of the microphone is made of metal and hence it feels really sturdy. The aux cable is pretty long, like 12 feet. I never faced any wire shortage issue with this mic. At the product page in Amazon, it was mentioned that we should use a phantom power with this mic. But I think someone barely used a phantom power with this mic, as the price of a phantom power is much higher than the microphone itself. I just bought a USB sound card and used that with this microphone, and it does the job. I will be giving you the product link of the sound card in the video description. The sound you're hearing right now is being recorded by the BM800 itself. I am using Audacity to record this audio. The noise cancellation is quite decent in this mic. I always put the wind filter while recording. Now it's time to show you some raw sample from this microphone. So the voice you are now hearing is being recorded with the Audacity software, but it is not edited at all. Now I'll be keep quiet for a moment so you can judge the ambient noise. As it is a condenser mic and I am not using any phantom power, I have to be very close to the microphone. Like right now, my mouth is only 3 inches away from this microphone. That's why I think it's hard to make facecam videos with this mic, because your face will be covered by this microphone. But if you just do voiceovers, then it won't be a problem. I bought this mic around 1400 rupees 7 months back, but now it's even cheaper, like 900 rupees. And in this price, I think this is a very good deal. Just don't forget to buy a sound card with this. So this was my review of BM800. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. And if you want more such videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. This is Vishal from Pocket Coder signing off for the moment. Thanks for watching.